Oh, hello, hello. Today's book is Bugs, Bugs, Bugs. Ah! Let's check it out. Bugs, Bugs, Bugs by Bob Barner. Wow, colorful. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I want to see bugs. Ooh. Who wants to go outside and see bugs? Me. Wow, grasshopper, ant, ladybug. Ooh. Wow. Butterflies that flutter in the sky. Ooh, flutter. Flutter by. Butterflies. Wow. Oh, those are some big butterflies. Spotted ladybugs that go creeping by. Tick, 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 tick. Wow. Hello, ladybugs. Those are good bugs. Wow, look at these long-legged spiders. Friendly daddy longlegs that never bite. Well, I don't know about that. Ooh, daddy longlegs. Ooh, big grasshopper. Grasshoppers. Hop, hop, hopping out of sight. Boing! Wow. Whoa. A fuzzy caterpillar with tiny feet. Yeah, big body and tiny feet. Hee hee. That's funny. Buzz, buzz. Bees buzzing by flowers that smell so sweet. Smelling all the flowers. Oh, the good life of a bee. Wow. Ants. A long line of ants that work so much. Work, work, work. Roly-poly bugs that curl up when I touch. Oh, these are cute bugs. Can call them roly-poly bugs. Sometimes I call them potato bugs. When they roll up like a ball, they're like a little potato. Hi, potato bug. Hi. Whoa, toes. Bugs, bugs, bugs. I can see buggy bugs all around me. Yeah, bugs are everywhere. Ooh, we got the bee, the ladybug, grasshopper, ant, the caterpillar, roly-poly bug, butterfly, and daddy longlegs. Bye, guys. Thank you. Oh. Ooh, we can even see our bugometer. The butterfly, can it fly? Yes. Where does it live? Near flowers. How many legs? 6. Does it sting? No. Oh, that's important. No ouchie. Ladybug, can it fly? Yes. Where does it live? On plants. How many legs? 6. Does it sting? No. Good. Daddy long legs. Can it fly? No. Where does it live? In shady spots where it's a little dark. How many legs? 8, because it's a spider. Does it sting? No. Grasshopper. Sometimes they're good in chocolate. But can it fly? Yes. Oh, it jumps and it can fly. Where does it live? In tall grass. That's its home. How many legs? 6. Oh ho. Does it sting? Nope. How about Mr. Caterpillar? Can he fly? Not yet, but when he becomes a butterfly, he can fly. Where does he live? On twigs and leaves. Wow. How many legs? 6 to 16 legs. Wow. Does it sting? No, they're nice. How about Mr. Bee? Hello. Can he fly? Yep. Yes, he does. Where does he live? Near flowers, in his hive. How many legs? 6. Does he sting? Yes, he's got a stinger. Bing, bing, bing. Ouch! Hello, Mr. Ant. Can you fly? Nope. Some versions maybe can. Where does he live? In an anthill, in the dirt. How many legs? 6 legs. Does he sting? Yes, sometimes. The big ones can bite sometimes too. Ooh, how about Mr. Potato Bug, Roly-Poly Bug? Does it fly? No. Where does it live? Under rocks and under things. How many legs? Over 14 legs. 14 plus. Wow. Does he sting? No, he's pretty nice. Oh, wow. We learned a lot about bugs today. Thanks very much, Mr. Bugs. See you. Bye-bye.